Hello, my name is METİN. This is 74th part of explanation of my theory. Electron doesn't beat itself. Electron doesn't hit itself. This is wrong picture. Compton scattering picture in accepted physics is wrong picture because photon and electron, according to my theory in the context of Compton experiment, in same world. How? This is electron motion form. In motion in the direction of 0 degree, and in the direction of 0 degree, its successive waves shortest, opposite side largest, right 90 degree side same, lambda n. Remember from my former videos. But now I want to say, at this point, we can say as if this point is photon, but not discrete, in continuum. Each point of successive waves of relocating or at rest electron motion form is as if photon point in continuum, and you cannot discrete and separate. Here there is no quanta. Each point is electron's spherical surface. Remember, I have computed photon rest mass, photon rest momentum. I advise you to watch my former videos if you want, step by step. Yes. Now, here, according to my theory and my formulas, X-ray production procedures. Here, applied electrons, okay, and now, here remember my formulas. These are my energy formulas, and hidden inside of each one, here mass, here momentum, remember, and for each point, for displacement in motion, electron motion form, each degree has different wave velocity, different wavelength, different mass, different point momentum, different point energy. Remember from my former videos, D equal to C minus electron motion forms velocity cosine alpha, lambda alpha equal to lambda n minus delta lambda cosine alpha. Electron doesn't beat itself, and electron doesn't hit itself. Compton scattering in accepted physics, Compton scattering picture is wrong. According to accepted physics and Compton experiment theory, this is photon, this is electron. Come in, narrower. Wavelength photon, collides, and this is momentum loss photon, and its wavelength enlarged because of photon loss its energy and electron gains energy in accepted physics. This is wrong picture. Not colliding, not discrete photon and electron light. Here, only single electron. Think of in motion because of applied voltage, accelerating voltage, and in motion electron motion form, according to my theory and my formulas, in the direction of its successive waves, wavelength changes, its successive waves velocity changes, energy changes, relates to its velocity, electron motion forms velocity, and depending on its velocity, depending on its motion direction, say this electron motion form in motion in this direction. At this point, wave velocity highest. At this point, wave velocity is smallest. Okay? But wavelength smallest, here wavelength largest. Change. Remember from my former videos. 1. By applying high voltage accelerating electron motion forms successive waves in the direction of their motions through the target. Here, applied voltage electron motion forms, and in the direction of 0 degree through the target, okay, target. Here, they have shortest wavelengths, highest energy in this direction. Come in to target atoms, and what happened? By applying high voltage accelerating electron motion forms successive waves in the direction of their motions through the target in 0 degree direction, their wavelength shrinks to X-ray wavelength level. Shrinks, okay? 2. These electrons affects the bounded electron motion forms inside of target atoms by their successive waves, not by colliding. By unlocking effects on electrons' joint motion boundings with proton. 3. These electrons' successive wave effects make bounded target atom core electrons free, also ionization, remember. 4. Bounded electrons are now free at the same velocity with effective accelerated electrons. 5. Each point of successive waves of relocating electron motion forms from target is each point, okay, of successive waves of relocating electron motion forms is as if photon point in continuum, and you cannot discrete and separate. Here there is no quanta, each point is electron spherical surface point. Now, according to my formulas, successive wave velocity formula here, all of these are my formulas. According to my successive wave velocity and successive wave wavelength for in motion electron motion form here, and energy and mass momentum formulas here. And I have computed for 30 kV applied voltage these electron motion forms. They affect this target. This is X-ray production process. Here made free electron motion forms by accelerating voltage, accelerated electrons. Then here 0 degree. Remember Bremsstrahlung, remember continuous spectrum. Okay, here the source of continuous spectrum. Remember from my former videos. Continuous spectrum. Here, wait a moment. Not discrete. Continuum. Here, intensity. Here, wavelength. Okay? This is minimum wavelength point. This is 90 degree. This is 0 degree. Remember my former videos. Here, the source of continuous spectrum according to my theory and my formulas. Okay? Because of continuous spectrum, not isotropic. Continuous spectrum is anisotropic. Like this, movable detector. This is 0 degree direction, this is 90 degree direction, this is 180 degree direction, etc. And if you move detector, you read different wavelengths according to my theory and my formulas. There is no colliding photon and electron. There are electron motion forms in motion, relocating, and because of that, their successive waves, wavelength, their successive waves, velocity, energy, momentum, and mass change without changing this total energy of electron motion form, total rest energy, total rest mass, total rest momentum, total rest energy of this electron motion form don't change. According to my theory and my formulas, nothing add or nothing subtract from to that electron motion form any energy, and nothing gain from it and subtract some energy from this electron motion form. Now, finally, eventually, I have computed for 0 degree wavelength, wave velocity at this point, wavelength at this point, wave velocity at this point, mass at this point, momentum, 0 degree. And then I have computed 45 degree wave velocity, wavelength, mass, momentum. And I have do that for 90 degree. I have done that for 135 degree. Here results according to my theory and my formulas. 0 degree, different mass, different momentum. 40 degree, different mass, different momentum. 90 degree, different mass, different momentum. Okay? I hope you see, according to my theory and my formulas. This is wrong picture. This is the picture that I put forth in the context of Compton experiment. Okay. I don't want to repeat these results. Okay. You can see, you can notice all of that. Here. One of these that. Okay. In motion electron, I take this, I put this, I put there, and I compute it. Think of. Yes. Have a good night. See you later.